This is a very quick and easy recipe, guys, for gluten-free banana muffins. On the island, our bananas don't get yellow, but this is really ripe. And that's what you want, really ripe bananas. We're using 3. If you don't have a food processor, just do this by hand. Mash the bananas, just lazy. I'm gonna add 3 large eggs that are at room temperature. 1 teaspoon, 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Another teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. A quarter teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna add 3 cups or about 300 grams of almond flour. We're not gonna sweeten this. The banana is sweet enough. All right, how easy is that? So I have an oven preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 centigrade. We're gonna scoop this into a lined muffin tin. I have 12. All right, this is optional. I have some coconut sugar here. It's better than refined sugar. It's still sugar, but I'm going to mix it with cinnamon and sprinkle it on top of my muffins. You don't have to do that. So about a tablespoon, and then I'll add about half a tablespoon of cinnamon. And I'm just gonna sprinkle it on top. This I'll put away for next time. All right, these are gonna go in the oven for about 25-30 minutes. We'll see, I'll be checking them and I'll come back. 28 minutes, guys, and these are ready. I just put a little pin in them. They came out clean, delicious. We'll wait for them to cool off completely and we'll look at them. Let's check these out. Oh my gosh, they're nice and spongy. Mmm. Yummy. Thank you for watching. I'm going to see you soon.